And welcome to the fourth episode of 3-Minute Thursdays. Remember, I mentioned a transformative experience that I had a couple of episodes ago. I came out of that armed with this idea that all I had to do was have high expectations of people and performance will improve, or otherwise known as the Pygmalion effect. But when I tried it with people, sometimes it would work and sometimes it wouldn't. And I couldn't quite understand why some people would live up to the expectations and some won't. I couldn't find the answer, but I kept on mentoring people, continuing to think highly of people, believing in people, but this question lingered in my mind. In 2009, by some chance, Rajkumar Ravindranathan, one of my mentees, recommended this book, Mindset by Dweck. I started reading it and I couldn't put it down because it started answering many of these lingering questions in my mind. It is a groundbreaking book and I urge you all to read it. She based this on a research that she did several years ago. She took two control groups of students. One group of students, she told them they are smart, and to the other group, she told them that they are hardworking. To both groups, she started giving ever increasingly difficult puzzles to solve. At some point, the smart group stopped taking on the next challenge, and the hardworking group kept continuing. And when she researched further why this was happening, she realized that this is due to the mindset, which she started calling growth mindset. The hard-working group had the growth mindset, whereas the smart group had the fixed mindset. They believed that if they tried the next hard puzzle and they failed, they will somehow not be smart anymore. So this was a big revelation to me on how mindsets affects behaviors. Just then, I had also become the chief information officer, and luckily in my team, Sundara Sukavanam started doing these growth mindset workshops for people and started spreading this message of growth mindset to a lot of people in my team. In the innovation department, we came up with a tool called Barriers to Innovation, which allowed us to change mindset at a scale level, and we were able to bring in about 75,000 people into the innovation process. So a few years later, when I quit Cognizant and I founded the Tiny Magic with Kumaran and others, I was lucky to again encounter this mindset idea from Kumaran. He has customized a process which he calls Magic Word, which allows you to create a personalized mindset. And this has become a cornerstone of all the programs that we do, a key pillar of Tiny Magic's programs. So I urge you all to read this book, Mindset by Dweck, and thank you all for listening to me. See you all again in 2 weeks.